Have you ever walked into a room and felt awkward? No one is talking, people are looking at their phones. Everyone feels a little uncomfortable. In American English, we have a very common expression for this situation. Break the ice. And today, I'm going to teach you exactly what it means, when to use it, and how Americans really use it. You will also practice with me. Let's get started. So what does break the ice really mean? Literally, break the ice means to crack frozen water. But in English, we are not talking about real ice. When Americans say break the ice, we mean to make people feel comfortable, to reduce tension, or to start conversation in an awkward situation. I want you to imagine this. You are at a work meeting. You don't know anyone, and everyone is sitting quietly. The room feels stiff, cold, uncomfortable. Then someone says, "So, who here survived the traffic this morning?" People laugh. Someone responds. Suddenly, people start talking. That person broke the ice. They made the situation warmer and more relaxed. Think of it like this. The ice represents silence, tension, and awkwardness, or even social discomfort. And when you break it, conversation can flow. Let's picture these situations. The first day at a new job. It's your first day at work. You walk into the office kitchen. 3 coworkers are standing there. They don't know you yet. It's quiet. You feel nervous. Then one of them says, "Hey, are you the new person?" "Don't worry, we're nice." Most of the time, everyone laughs. That joke breaks the ice. The atmosphere changes immediately. Example number 2, a first date. You're sitting at a restaurant. It's your first date. Both of you are smiling, but nervous. There's a pause in the conversation. Then you say, "Okay, serious question. Pineapple on pizza? Yes or no?" They laugh. Now you're talking, debating, smiling. You broke the ice. A classroom situation. Imagine now, a teacher walks into the class on the first day. Students are quiet. No one wants to speak first. The teacher says, "Before we start, tell me your name and your most embarrassing moment." Students laugh. Hands go up. The teacher broke the ice. An important business meeting. Now imagine a really important business meeting where 2 companies are meeting for the first time. The atmosphere is formal, serious, very professional. The manager says, "Before we begin, I just want to say how we're really excited to work together. And I promise, this presentation is less painful than it looks." People smile, shoulders relax. That small comment broke the ice. Let's look at some other examples of how you'll hear it naturally. "He told a joke to break the ice." Or, "I tried to break the ice." We need something to break the ice. That really broke the ice. Something important I want you to notice though. It's usually used in social situations, first meetings, interviews, team building, and networking. It is very common in professional English. A common mistake that I don't want you to make is do not use this when talking about serious problems. For example, we wouldn't want to say, "We broke the ice about the financial crisis." That sounds unnatural. This idiom is about social tension, not serious global problems. Now repeat after me. Break the ice. Break the ice. Break the ice. In the past, we would say, broke the ice. Broke the ice. Broke the ice. If you want to learn more idioms that Americans use every day, make sure to take a look in the description below where I have included my playlist for you.